Dysfunctional Vet. We're here to discuss welding and welding that matters. Let's look at this up close, and we're going to look at this from several different aspects. Let's come in right here on the ventricle at this moment. Alright, I was moving a load with my tractor, and the load went kinetic and shifted rapidly. If you look, this brake right here is right on the parent metal and the weld itself. This is not a good weld. It doesn't have penetration into the parent metal in any form or fashion. That's not good. This means that whoever welded this is a crap welder. I bought this tractor in 2017. I am not a welder by any means, although I now can weld some. But this was welded at the dealership when I bought the tractor. They put this one on here, and you can see it cracked right there. When this heats up in the sun this afternoon, this thing's going to open up enough that I can push my pencil down inside here, and this metal is just as clean as if somebody had taken a razor blade and cut between the weld and this hook. Right now it's pretty cool, but once this heats up, it expands out. Now let's look at something else, which will, if you're a welder, this should probably make you very uncomfortable. So let's look at that. Look at how clean this weld has separated. This is the weld and this is the parent. Look at how clean this thing is separated from the bucket. There's really pretty much no bonding between the weld and this. This is not even an apprentice welding. Again, done by the factory. I'm going to grab a pipe wrench and twist this on camera, and let's see what happens. This is an 8-inch pipe wrench. Let's see what happens. Correction, 18-inch. I'm unable to move it. I'm going to get a grinder and I'm going to cut this weld out, get a new hook, heat this up with a torch, bend it back to where it should be, and weld a new hook onto it. But this is totally unacceptable for a weld. Again, this was done by the Kubota dealership. One other thing, and this I can't verify although I've looked, I think they just welded straight over the paint. There's two types of welding rods if you're new to welding. One is a penetrator, and it will burn through rust and paint. And since I don't know what they welded this with, I'm thinking that they did not use a penetrator, but they just stuck this there and welded it on. Again, showing that the service I got was crap. And for the record, I do not do business with that Kubota dealership anymore. I now drive 70 miles round trip if I need anything, because I don't want to do business with a company that's as poorly run as this one is. Dysfunctional Vet, I'm off my soapbox, out. Filmed in front of a live studio audience at Black Beauty on the Ocean of Storms on the Footprint.